Chapter 9 Debenture Introduction. In today's modern times, when joint stock companies need capital for a long time period, they issue shares or debentures to raise capital. Debenture means borrowed capital. Debenture is a document issued under the common seal of the company for raising debt and acknowledging the debt. The interest on debt raised through debenture is paid at a predetermined rate. For this, companies create a floating charge on the assets of the companies. 1. Definition of debentures. The term debenture is derived from the Latin word debere, meaning debt. Thus, it can be said that debenture is a document denoting debt of the company. Debenture is a type of document issued under the common seal of the company acknowledging the debt. Sir Francis Palmer. Debenture is a document containing an acknowledgement of interdebtedness issued by the company under its common seal and giving an undertaking to repay the debt at a specified rate or at the option of the company, and in the meantime to pay interest thereon at a fixed and at intervals stated in debentures. Debenture is a document 1. Issued under the common seal of the company, 2. Acknowledging the debt of a specified amount, 3. In which till the principal amount is repaid, 4. Interest at specified rate is payable under the contract, 5. A charge is created on the assets of the company. Thus, joint stock companies established under the Companies Act issue debentures for long-term capital requirement. The debenture can be redeemed after a fixed period. A relationship of debtor and creditor is created between the company and the debenture holder. The debenture holder does not get a right to vote in the company and he cannot participate in the management of the company. But debenture holders can appoint debenture trustee to safeguard their interest. When the company goes into liquidation, the debenture holders are paid their money on priority basis by selling the assets of the company. 2. Types of debentures. For the convenience of public, the company management issues different types of debenture. Debenture holders give utmost importance to the security of their money. Types of debentures. 1. Mortgage debenture. 2. Fully convertible debenture, that is FCD. 3. Partly convertible debenture, that is PCD. 4. Non-convertible debenture, that is NCD. 1. Mortgage debenture. The company, by issuing such debentures, creates a charge on the assets which can be fixed charge or floating charge. The company has to obtain the approval of the trustees of debenture holders before taking any decision regarding these assets. At the time of liquidation, the debenture holders have the first right on the assets of the company. 2. Fully convertible debentures, that is FCD. In accordance with the agreement with debenture holders, on completion of the specified time period, these debentures are converted into equity shares. The company gives two options to holders. 1. To redeem the debentures, or 2. To take equity shares of the same amount. If the debenture holders opt for fully convertible debentures, that is FCD, then his rights as creditor come to an end and he gets rights as equity shareholder. 3. Partly convertible debenture, that is PCD. Here the debenture is divided into two parts, where one part is fully convertible and the other part is non-convertible. Equity shares are issued against the convertible part while the non-convertible part is redeemed. 4. Non-convertible debenture, that is NCD. These debentures are not converted into equity shares. The holders are paid their money back by redemption at the end of the specified time period. 3. Procedure of issue of debentures. There are specific provisions in the Indian Companies Act for the issue of debentures. It is necessary to comply with all these provisions at the time of issuing debentures. If any of these provisions is not complied with, then the company or concerned officer of the company is liable for punishment. It is necessary to ensure that there should be no risk or danger to the interest of debenture holders. The procedure for the issue of debenture is as under. 1. Resolution by Board of Directors. First of all, the provisions of debentures of the articles of the company are studied, and then a resolution is passed in the meeting of the Board of Directors to issue debentures. At the meeting, a decision is taken regarding the amount of total issue, rate of interest, payment of interest, number of debenture certificates, and conditions. 2. Resolution by General Meeting of the company. The sanction for issue of debentures is obtained in the general meeting of the company. If, due to issue of debentures, the debt of company exceeds free reserves of the company, or if the debentures are to be issued for an amount exceeding free reserve fund, then the approval of members is obtained by convening the general meeting of members. 3. Permission of SEBI. It is necessary to ensure that the provisions of the Companies Act and guidelines of SEBI are complied with and permission of SEBI is obtained. 4. To issue prospects. Public limited companies invite general public to subscribe to the debenture by issuing prospects which describes contents of debentures. Investors study it and take decision to purchase the debenture. 5. Appointment of trustees for debentures. In order to safeguard interest of debenture holders, a trust deed or debenture trust deed is prepared under the Trust Act. The trustees of debentures are appointed in the company. 6. Agreement with underwriters. If the Board of Directors decides to enter into an agreement with underwriters for the issue of debentures, it is done at this stage. The conditions are determined for both parties. 7. To open an account with a scheduled bank. The company has to open an account with a scheduled bank to receive applications and money for debenture. 8. Registration in stock exchange. If it is so stated in the prospectus, the company has to apply to a recognized stock exchange for the listing of debenture issue so that the debentures can be traded in the market. If the stock exchange refuses to register or cancels the registration of debenture issue, the company has to pay back the money to the debenture holders. 9. To prepare allotment register for debentures. After the closure of subscription, as specified in the prospectus, the company secretary has to prepare a register on basis of application received. A decision regarding allotment of debentures is taken in the meeting of the Board of Directors. After deciding the allotment of debentures, the process of remittance of debenture certificate is commenced. 10. Debenture certificates. If the subscription to the debentures is to be made through part payment of debenture money, then after receiving the full amount towards the debentures allotted, the company secretary prepares debenture certificates and in accordance with the provisions of the Companies Act, dispatches the certificates to debenture holders. 4. Rights of debenture holders. Debenture holders are entitled to certain rights. Debenture holders are creditors of the company and therefore there is a relationship of debtor-creditor between the company and debenture holders. The various rights of debenture holders are as under. 1. Right to receive interest at the specified time and rate. 2. Get back the money invested on the date of maturity. 3. To examine and study documents at the registered office of the company. 4. To obtain information by depositing the requisite fee. 5. The company prepares a trust deed with debenture holders. Debenture holders have right to be informed that functioning is conducted according to provisions of the deed. 6. Right to appoint debenture trustee to safeguard the interests of debenture holders. 7. The Board of Directors has to take into confidence the debenture trustees before making any appointment decisions. 8. To ensure that the property mortgaged under the trust deed is adequately safeguarded. 9. Right to initiate legal action if the conditions or provisions of trust deed in respect of property under security are not complied with. 10. Right to receive report regarding the progress and development of the company at regular intervals. 11. Right to receive their money back on a priority basis at the time of liquidation of the company. 5. Debenture trust deed. Debenture is a debt for the company. The company mortgages or pledges its asset in favor of debenture holders against the debt raised. As per the Indian Companies Act, a contract or agreement is executed between the company and debenture holders, and the said contract is registered with the Registrar of Companies. Thus, this contract or agreement that lays down the conditions of debenture issue is also known as trust deed or trust agreement. The debenture holders of a company are scattered over different places and they are unorganized. In such circumstances, to safeguard the interest of debenture holders, their representatives are nominated as trustees of debenture holders, and they represent the vast group of debenture holders. These debenture trustees earn the faith of debenture holders and work in a neutral manner to safeguard the interest of debenture holders. When a situation arises about the fixed or floating charge, the action is taken in accordance with the trust deed. Once a trust deed is registered with the registrar, any amendment in the same can be made with the approval of the debenture holders' general meeting. The following particulars are included in a trust deed. 1. Primary information of the company. 2. Description of debenture issue. 3. Information of security or assets mortgaged. 4. Particulars of the appointment of debenture trustees. 5. Events of defaults. 6. Obligations of company. 7. Miscellaneous. Amendment made in any matter of trust deed. Company is liable for payment of stamp duty on trust deed. Provision for meeting of debenture holders and resolutions of grievances, objections and resolution thereof. 6. Procedure for transfer of debenture. Procedure for transfer of debenture is as under. 1. Obtain form specified by the company and fill in the requisite details in the same. 2. Name and addresses of the seller and the purchaser of the debenture, details of debentures, certificate serial numbers, quantity of debentures and prices of debentures. Both parties are required to sign the form. 3. The seller of the debenture has to declare that he is selling the debenture voluntarily and he has to sign it a second time. 4. The debenture transfer form along with debenture certificate is submitted at the registered office of the company. 5. The company secretary will examine the form and compare the signature with the specimen signature. 6. It will be ensured whether the requisite stamp duty has been paid and endorsement will be done to that effect in the transfer register. 7. A meeting of the board of directors is held to discuss the transfer of debentures and a resolution is passed for it. 8. On the basis of resolution of the board of directors, the company secretary enters the name of the purchaser or issues a new certificate and dispatches the same to the purchaser. 7. Difference between share and debenture. Serial number 1. Points. Meaning. Share. A joint stock company divides its capital in small parts. Each part is called a share. Debenture. When a joint stock company borrows money from public is called a debenture. Serial number 2. Points. Capital. Share. It is owner's capital. Debenture. It is a borrowed capital. Serial number 3. Points. Return. Share. The company pays dividend on a share from profit. Debenture. Company pays interest on the debenture amount. Serial number 4. Points. Rate of return. Share. The rate of dividend is unspecified. Debenture. The rate of interest is specified. Interest is payable whether there is any profit or not. Serial number 5. Points. Ownership. Share. Shareholders are owners of a company. Debenture. Debenture holders are creditors of a company. Serial number 6. Points. Risk. Share. The risk is higher in share. Debenture. The risk is less in debentures. Serial number 7. Points. Right of vote. Share. Shareholders have voting right. Debenture. Debenture holders have no voting right. Serial number 8. Points. Stamp duty. Share. The stamp duty on transfer of shares is payable at a lesser rate. Debenture. The stamp duty on transfer of debentures is payable on a higher rate. Serial number 9. Points. Redemption. Share. The shareholders cannot get their money back as long as the company is in existence. At the time of liquidation, they get their money at the end. Debenture. The debenture can be redeemed as per its type. Debenture holders have the first right to receive their money in case of liquidation. Serial number 10. Points. Charge on assets. Share. There is no charge of assets. Debenture. Issue of debentures creates charge on assets of the company. Serial number 11. Points. Payment. Share. Dividend on shares cannot be paid out of capital of the company. Debenture. Interest on debentures can be paid out of capital as per provisions. Serial number 12. Points. Control. Share. Shareholders have control over the administration of the company. Debenture. Debenture holders have no control over the administration of the company. However, they can appoint debenture trustees to safeguard their interests. Serial number 13. Points. Demand for liquidation. Share. Shareholders cannot demand a liquidation of the company. Debenture. Debenture holders can demand a liquidation of the company.